Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Now I am talking about Golden Farm. Just click the description and click the link. Then you can see this page. At first I'm telling you who have first come to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video and click bell button to get update. Now I'm showing how I earned $40 in a few days from Golden Farm. You can see that it's a gaming website. You can play game and enjoy fun and earn a lot of. If you have only pair account, you don't have pair account, don't worry, just go to the description link and see how you can create a pair account, or you can click the link for registration pair account. If you can don't see this page in English, you can click England flag button here. England flag button here. After registration, now I am showing how you can register this. Click on register and select username, type username, email, password, repeat password, account currency and click I have accept. Then confirm your email. You can check your spam folder for confirming email. Then log into your account. I am logging my account. Just wait. I am in my account. You can see that I have already paid out $40. You can see $40 I already paid. It's instant paid. First you have to click daily bonus and collect daily bonus. Get a bonus. You can get 10 to 100 silver coin. Then click buy birds. You can buy birds from here. One birds cost 150 silver, can produce 5 per hour. You can click buy. Then click egg warehouse. You can collect all the eggs from your warehouse. Then egg selling. You can sell these egg selling, and after that you can withdraw your account, withdraw fund. Click withdraw fund. You can withdraw via payer, Skrill, Nettler, Visa, Mastercard, and this site is very trusted. It is paying since 2013. You can see that. You have referral promotion. You can earn unlimited from referral. Now I am showing referral option. Click on my referral and you can see first level referral 30%, second level referral 10%, third level referral 5%. You can see that 4 level referral. Oh my god, it's very interesting. You can replenish your account. Replenish means you can buy bird from here for more money. I already buy bird and increase my income. You can buy via payer, Bitcoin, Visa. Payer is instant, all services instant, and you can get 100% bonus. Enter your amount here and click replenish account. It's very trusted and very interesting site. I hope that you will earn from here unlimited by your effort. So while it, click the video description link and sign up from my link and pair create pair account and then replenish your account. It's very easy. Hope that you understand. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.